I often get the question, how specifically can Watson help my call center? It's a great question, and one that has become very easy to answer. Today, nearly every business generates a mountain of data, has looked into applying algorithms to better understand their data, and has struggled to meet the increasing support expectation of their customers in today's always-on, always-connected world. Watson has been proven through independent analysis to reduce operating costs by up to 30%, reduce time to market, and produce positive returns on your investment in under a year. Let's look at how a fictional company might use a wide set of Watson technologies. For this demo, let's say it's the end of the summer. It's my first year in the new house, and we recently put in a pool. It's still warm out, so the AC is cranking. We're getting ready for a party. All of a sudden, as I'm waiting for the guests to arrive, I get a notification on my iPhone that I'm having a higher than normal power consumption. Let's see how this plays out. On the left, you're looking at my iPhone, and on the right, you're looking at an agent support dashboard. Right now, it's unmonitored, but it will help you show what's going on behind the scenes with Watson. Let's say I go ahead and click on that alert. And it brings me into the Power Company application. And naturally, I'm a little curious, so I want to find out what that alert was all about. And interesting. So I'm looking now and I'm seeing that my house is using a whole lot of power. I'm really not sure why. I'm also not a big fan of typing. I'm going to use the voice interaction. Why am I using so much power?
Would you like some recommendations on how to lower your usage?
Yes, please.
I've run a decision optimization model on your usage patterns, and here's what I found. I can help guide you on ways to reduce or shift your usage. You can ask me about things like time of usage rates, solar power, and energy-efficient appliances.
Is my pool pump wasting electricity?
Here is what I found in our documentation. A conventional pool pump with only one speed is set to run at the higher speed required of the pool cleaner and wastes energy during filtration operation by running faster than necessary. An Energy Star certified pool pump can be programmed to match the pool operation with its appropriate pool pump speed.
Tell me about solar power.
Sure, we have a partnership with ABC Solar. I can run a Watson machine learning model on the details I have on file for your home to predict what you could generate with a typical rooftop solar array. Do you want me to run that for you now?
Yes, please.
Here are the results.
Wow, that looks pretty good.
Would you like me to connect you with a live agent to schedule a free solar consultation?
Let's pause there for a moment and look at what we're seeing. On the agent dashboard, you can see that we have a lot of information showing. First of all, we're monitoring sentiment of the call through Watson Natural Language Understanding. We're monitoring the classification of the call through Watson Natural Language Classifier. We have the location of the caller illustrated through a Mapbox integration. And we have Watson Machine Learning creating algorithms that monitor the risk of the customer, the value of the customer to the business, authorized remediation, and targeted upsell opportunities. Next, we have integration with Watson Discovery, which passes in natural language text queries to our document repository, getting back information like the pool pump and other energy optimizations. For the live agent, if they were monitoring, they could see all of the documents by simply clicking and bringing up the information. A major focus of a Watson-based call center is to deflect as many calls as possible to the automated features, leaving room for the live agents for the most valuable customer. However, at any time, a customer can request a live agent. In addition, Watson Machine Learning is powering our interactive slides that show power consumption and recommended power reduction options. And lastly, all of this is powered by Cognos Embedded Dashboard, which allows me, the end user, to modify most of what's on the screen. So if in this case I think a tree map looks better, I can just select it and move on. Let's finish the conversation with the live agent. Yes, please.
Connecting you now.
Hi, I'm with ABC Solar. What time would you like me to schedule your appointment?
Do you have any availability next week? I hope this gives you an idea of how all of the Watson APIs can come together to help you solve your business problems and drive efficiency in your call center. Thanks for joining today, and we look forward to showing you this in person.